lay some solder on my split tail, back off the heat, come over here and get my piece hot, reheat that, and try to attach it all in one time. I'm going to get a little practice here just to see if I'm going to have the capabilities. Reheat it and set it on there and back away from it. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm going to foul up bad. Let me figure something else out. We're going to do a little audible. We're going to change game plan. Plan B. Here we go. All right, guys. This is what I have manipulated and came up with. It looks like a little like whodunit. Little split tail. Everything's quite not even. This ring has definitely turned